In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like, and a base mesh was a mesh point, created by merging the vertices of a plane. I extruded the point to create a basic shape, and I extruded the mesh. After that, the meshes were arrayed and scaled. This was the base mesh created from a plane. This method is better than subdividing and manually editing the vertices, because it's much faster. In edit mode, type 1 to vertex select, A to select all, and M to merge at the center. I typed G and Y to move the vertex on the Y axis, and typed E to extrude like this. Please make sure to put the last points Y to 0, because we need to mirror this mesh like this. Let's add a screw modifier. When using an extruded vertex mesh, we need to make sure we don't have overlapping faces like these. Please reduce the angle value to avoid producing the faces that are overlapped. After that, I arrayed the mesh, duplicated, scaled, and moved the duplicated one behind the first mesh. Here are the material details for both meshes. I only used 16 samples to save time. Please use at least 128 to get the best looking result. Here are the composite node settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.